This is a final video to fix Bluetooth headset audio cutting out when pausing YouTube or Spotify on Windows. Are you tired of your music or videos suddenly going silent every time you hit pause? This usually happens because Windows sometimes puts Bluetooth audio devices to sleep to save power, or the audio drivers don't handle pause and resume correctly. Most solutions you'll find online are long, confusing, and involve uninstalling drivers or digging through hidden settings, which can be frustrating and risky. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes this problem in seconds without uninstalling anything. All you need to do is adjust a hidden power setting and make a tiny change in your Bluetooth audio settings, and your headset will stay connected perfectly even when pausing. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make sure to guide you through every click.